Not disappointed the crowd.
And he's joined by Athenaeus now. He might be in a spot of bother here. And it's been taken. At last, some relief. Nasu Mohammed enticing Athenaeus to go big. He does not really get a hold of it and holds out in the deep. Some relief for Bangladesh with that wicket.
By slowing it down, Nasum, the first delivery was at 90.3 and this one 85.3, back of the length. Ali Athenaeus, the length was there to pin away. Probably the length slightly on the shorter side. Right intention, but the execution was poor. Nevertheless, a young man has played a very good knock of 52 of 33 deliveries. And West Indies 106 for 2.
Bangladesh, desperately in search of breaking that threatening partnership, have managed it. Sheffin Rutherford, 350s in his 36th innings. What a wonderful strike rate to have. He will not hang about. They've got the platform. They're going to go after the bowling. Maybe take a bit of time to have a look at what the ball is doing. And he got it! Straight away, Nasu Mohammed. Quicker delivery, that kept low, held its line, and it's timber. And it's another wicket down. Bangladesh are right back in this game.
Misread the length, should have been the front foot. And for the second time in consecutive games, Sharfan Rutherford goes for a golden duck. In the first game, hit a sky of Taskin Ahmed. On this occasion, played down the wrong line, went to the back foot where he should have been the front foot. And just arm delivery which went with the arm and dismisses the left hander, gone without scoring. 106 for 3.
The player of the match from the last game, Rovman Powell, comes in and he's facing the hat-trick ball.
Misjudged the length totally, wasn't he? Quick, was 95.7 the previous delivery, the quickest in this over. And Nasu Mohammed, who was bowling superbly even in the last series against Afghanistan, he is continuing his good work and he's on a hat-trick. Remember, no Bangladeshi bowler have taken a hat-trick before, and Nasu Mohammed has the opportunity to be the first.
Rishad Hussain into the slips. Rovman Powell, good numbers, 1969 runs. Walks around down the wicket, just soothes the nerves. Does a little bit of gardening. That's the feel for him. Everyone will be loud. A little more marshalling of the troops from Liton Das, bringing in the deep mid-wicket, a little squarer. Here we go. Right behind that. Sensible way to negotiate your first ball.
Man of the match from the previous game, Rovman Powell. He'll probably give himself a little chance by spending time. And once he gets going, he's an handful.
No, he can afford to buy this time, as you mentioned. They've got this wonderful platform.
The first one to go, Ali Athenaeus. I thought he had the right intention, trying to play the slog sweep. No timing, nicely taken by Tanzil Hassan Tamim. Running in from deep mid-wicket, and the next delivery. Sharfan Rutherford missed a straight one, and believe me or not, 2 golden ducks in 2 games.
Last thing you want as a batter. Very successful over completed. 12 done, 108 for 3.